All right, so let us begin. So we're going to be talking about the broker today. Now, the broker is your link or the intermediary between you, the trader, and the market. The broker is where you're going to put your money in. You're going to put your money into the broker, whatever amount of money that you are comfortable with losing, because losses are going to happen in the interim, right? This is the broker that I recommend. So the broker, think of the broker as your bank, all right? The bank that allows you to place trades through them. Now, this broker is not available for US residents, if I'm not mistaken, but for US residents, if you can't use here, I recommend a broker called Pepperstone, Pepper Stone.com, all right? So if you are experienced, you can literally just say start trading, and you can just literally deposit money into the broker and get started almost immediately. But which is more likely that you're a beginner, you want to try a demo. Now, what is a demo account? A demo is essentially you're going to be trading with fake money, money that isn't real. You're trading in real scenarios because the market, the same way how the market, you see all of these things that move in here, this is literally happening live. You're going to be trading these scenarios, but with fake money. So you get, in a way, you get your feet wet, but without any monetary commitment from you, right? So you can literally say, try a free demo, and it allows you to open your demo account and blah, 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 blah. Once you put in all of this information, these different details, say your first name, your last name, the email, once you say register, you would get some register details in your email. You're going to get a password and a username. Once you have that, it's going to log you in automatically, but those will be your password and username, right? Once you have that, you can come here to client login. Now, on the client login, I literally use my business here to show you, right? You put in all of these different details and blah, 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 blah. And what it's going to show you is this is going to help you with the registration process to create your account. Now, in accounts, you have temporary accounts, demo accounts, and your transaction history, right? Here you can see open new demo account. What this is going to do, you're going to select the platform that you're going to use, and don't worry, we'll talk about this soon, but you can select MT4, MT5, or C-Trader. I recommend MT4. I recommend raw spread. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to recommend USD, but if you do want to use pounds or yen or whatever, you can do that. And I recommend the max leverage that you can. On the initial deposit, I recommend putting as little as possible. The reason for this is because most people would want to put a $5 million demo and play like they're trading big money. But what I want you to do is take this 200, all right, because it's way more realistic, which is probably in line with what you might want to deposit in terms of real money very soon. What this is going to do is, if you can't get this account, this $200 account to stay afloat, if you can't get that to stay afloat, don't trust me, it doesn't make any sense even trying to deposit any more than what you try here, right? So when you finish, you say proceed. And once you would have proceeded, you will see it gives you your details. It gives you your details, and yeah, right? So in your email, you'll get the details for your login, right? So you have accounts. I think you should also be able to see it here. Right, nice. So you have your password for your login here, blah, 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 and all of that, right? You can fund it if you wanted. So if you blew the account for some reason, I really hope that you don't, but if you wanted to, if you wanted, you could literally say, I want to fund it with $200. Cool. Refresh the page. Boom. Now it's $200. So if you were to log in, right, you would log in using this right here. You'd use this server and this password. And this is the amount you should see in your IC markets backend. right? So once you do get a hang of this and you understand what is going on, you then obviously try to open a live account, right? Once you open a live account, same exact thing, same exact thing. Once you do make money, you can then say you want to withdraw some of that money, right? Same exact thing, the same exact thing. If you, let's just say, you want to transfer money from one account to the next, right? You need to obviously have more than one live account, but you can do that, right? And we don't really talk about partners. Downloads is where you would be able to download the different trading platforms. So you can download MT4 here, and we'll do that. You can download these different platforms. I recommend MT4 in my opinion, right? You can use MT5. It's a little more advanced, but MT4 works literally just fine. And well, that's literally your backend. That's the literal idea behind your broker, right? So you can then come here, say download MT4, and you'd see that it starts to download. And that's literally it. That's literally how you get started with your broker, right? The servers, there's a live chat here as well. So if I had a problem, I could pull this up and I could literally ask a question, and one of IC Markets team will get back to me with regards to a question. And they're pretty snappy from my experience. I've been with them for years, right? Yeah, I hope this made some sense. I hope you learned something from this, and I'll see you in the trading platform class.